types of numbers. Then we discuss divisibility rules. What is the divisibility rule? Divisibility by 2. What is the next we discuss ఇటు వస్తే రావట్లేదా, కట్ అవుతుందా, చాలా మ్యాక్సిమం అటు పోయిందా? ఓకే, ఇందాకైతే మంచిగా వచ్చింది కదా. చాలు చాలు చాలు. Yeah, today we discuss divisibility rules. So divisibility rules is first we discuss divisible by 2. So what is the divisibility by 2? A number is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 right. So first we discuss in the divisibility conditions, first we discuss the divisibility rule by 2. So what is the divisibility by 2? And easily identify in big numbers. So for example 23, 24. So how to divisible by 22? We have to write this. Is divisible by 2 or not? You have to calculate 2 12s are 2 1 24. So that is the remainder is 0. So easily say that. But whenever you have to go to big numbers, 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, 6 digits, whatever it is, you have to for more than number of digits in the number, you have to how to easily identify, easily say that it is a divisible by 2, it is a divisible by 3. So that this is the definitions. These are the definitions. That is a divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 is nothing but a number is divisible by 2 which is last digit, that is a ones place. Ones place is 0 or even number. So whenever you have to divide by the given number 2, so ones place, a number is divisible by 2 which is divisible by last digits in the given number, it is the last digits, that is ones place, it has a 0 or even number. For example 2 4 5 0 7 1. So it is a divisible by 2? No, because here last digit, that is a ones place digit is 1. So that is a odd number. So it does not divisible by 2. So for example 2 4 5 0 7 2. So it is divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. Here the ones place value is even number. Ones place is 2. Whenever you have to observe the ones place is 0 or any even number, so that number is divisible by 2. Clearly say that a number is divisible by 2 which is the ones place. A number is divisible by 2 which is the ones place is 0 or even number, then the number is divisible by 2. So what is the divisible by 3? Divisible by, so divisible by 3 is nothing but a number is divisible by 3, sum of the its digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Are you clear? Sum of the numbers is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So for example 2 4 5 0 7 1. So same example, sum of the digits are 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 7 plus 1. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 0 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 1 19. So sum of the digits is 19. So this is a divisible by 3? 19 అనేది 3 తో డివిజబుల్ అవుతుందా? కాదు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ డివిజబుల్ బై 3. సో టేక్ అనదర్ నెంబర్ 2 4 5 0 7 3. సో అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ 2 ప్లస్ 4 ప్లస్ 5 ప్లస్ 0 ప్లస్ 7 ప్లస్ 3. 2 ప్లస్ 4 6 5 11 11 plus 0 11 11 plus 7 18 18 plus 3 21. Is 21 is divisible by 3? Yes. 7 3 7s are 21. So it is the divisible by 3. So this is the definition of divisible by 3. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Is it clear? Next, divisible by 4. So what is the divisible by 4? Divisible by 4, a number is divisible by 4 if ones place or tens place is divisible by 4, then the total entire number is divisible by 4. So for example, this is the number 5420. 5420 is divisible by 4 or not? So how to check it? So ones place is 0, tens place is 2. This is here forming the number 20. Is 20 is in the fourth table? 4 5s are 20. So 4 5s are 20. This number is divisible by 4. So entire number is also is divisible by 4. Easily identify last ones place and tens place forming a number is divisible by 4. Then the entire number, whatever it is a 10 digit or 20 digits or whatever it is, last 10 digit is last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then entire number is divisible by 4. So what is the divisible 5? Divisible by 5. So a number is divisible by 5, the ones place is 0 or even number, 0 or 5. Okay, so because you have to see fifth table, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 and 25. So alternate 0 5 0 5 0 5. So as it is, the whenever you have to divisible by 5 is identified, the last ones place is 0 or 5. So and divisible by 6. So another condition, divisible by 6. Divisible by 6 is a number is divisible by 6. 6 can be written as 2 3s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So a number is divisible by 6. The number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So already you know that here already we learned into divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. The condition is very clear. Divisible by 2 is the even last digit is 0 or even number. So divisible by 3, sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the condition is divisible by 3. So these two conditions can be satisfied, the entire number is divisible by 3 directly. And 7 is a different, we discuss later. 7 is divisible by 7 is some conditions are there, we discuss the latter. Then next we have to discuss a divisible by 8. Divisible by 8 is also last 3 digit, forming a last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the entire number is divisible by 8. Same. So next divisible by 9. Divisible by 9 is nothing but a number is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9. Sum of the its digits is divisible by 9. Then the total number is divisible by 9. And divisible by 10. So last digit are 0. Ones place is 0. It is divisible by 10. Divisible by 11. Divisible by 11 is, see, it is a very important divisibility rule and some different divisibility rule. So a number is divisible by 11, sum of its places, not digits, sum of places of a given number. So that is sum of even places is equal to sum of odd places, or sum of even places minus sum of odd places is 0. It is divisible by 11. Not, I am very clear, it is not even numbers and odd numbers. I am not saying even numbers and odd numbers. I am saying only even place and odd place. See, so for example, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So for example, this is our number. So these number, it is divisible by 11 or not. So see first, this is odd number, odd place, and this is even place. This is odd place, this is even place. This is odd place, this is even place. This is odd place. So I'm saying that 2 is a even number. Don't get confusion. 2 is a even number. This is in odd place. 4 is a even number. It is in even place. 5 is a odd number. It is in odd place. 6 is a even number. It is a even place. 7 is a odd number. It is also odd place. 8 is a even number. It is even place. 1 is a odd number. It is also odd place. So don't get confusion. So 2 is a even, but SAR can be written as a odd number, odd place. So don't get confusion. It is a very clear. I'm going to write. I'm going to say sum of the even places is equal to sum of the odd places. A number is divisible by 11. It is a divisible condition is sum of the even places is equal to sum of the odd places. See, first of all, you have to write the sum of the even places. 4 plus 6 plus 8. This is even. That is equal to odd places. 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 1. See, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 1, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. So these two are not equal. Even place is not equal to odd place. Even place is not equal to odd place. So it is, this number is not a divisible by 11. Are you clear? This number is not a divisible by 3. So see, observe that this is the concepts we discuss very easily. I give the some clarification and I easily identify how to easily identify the divisibility rules. Divisibility by 2, 4, 8. These are the one category. Divisible by 3, 9. This is the one category. Divisible by 5, 10. Divisible by 11. See, observe here, divisibility by 2 condition. What is the divisibility by 2? A number is divisible by 2 is the ones place is even number. Divisible by 4, the last two is ones place and tens place is forming a number divisible by 4. Like even number means here 2 last ones place even number means it is also divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2, last ones place is divisible by 2, entire number is divisible by 2. In the fourth divisibility rule, last 2 digits is divisible by 4. So entire number is also divisible by 4. So and the eighth one, divisibility by 8, last 3 numbers. Forming a last 3 numbers is divisible by 8. So entire number is divisible by 8. This is a ones place, ones tens and hundreds place. Ikkada oka number tho form ayyedi 2 tho divisible kavali. ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్ 2 డిజిట్స్ ఫామ్ అయ్యేది 4 తో డివిజిబుల్ కావాలి అండ్ ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్ 3 డిజిట్స్ ఫామ్ అయ్యే నెంబర్ 8 తో డివిజిబుల్ కావాలి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద సిమిలర్ క్వాలిటీస్ ఇన్ ద divisibility రూల్స్. సో హియర్ 3 and 9. 3, what is the 3? Sum of the numbers is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. So here also same, sum of the numbers is divisible by 9, so the total number is divisible by 9. And 5 comma 10, so divisible by 0, 5, 0, 5, and 10 last number are all zeros, so it get the easily identify the multiple of tens, last digits multiple of tens, you get the divisible by 10. This is the different, this is one is sum of the even places is equal to sum of the odd places, and another one divisibility by 6. 6 is a condition satisfy rule, divisible by condition 2 and divisible by 3. So last digit even number undali and sum of the digit 3 tho divisible avali. Ee rendu conditions satisfy aitene so the number is divisible by 6. These are the divisibility rules. So this is the first class. Tomorrow we continue the next class. We'll discuss the after divisibility rules, then and other concepts also we discuss. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow.